Hi, my name is Anna Masica. I am a senior here at JCU. I'm a marketing major with 2 minors in entrepreneurship and peace, justice, and human rights. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys a little bit about how I was just accepted into the Venture for America program. So Venture for America is a 2-year fellowship. I'll be working at a startup in one of 14 different cities around the United States, hopefully doing marketing, but I could be doing a range of jobs in a range of different fields. So my last interview, there were 4 rounds of interviews. My last one was in Columbus at Capital University. And when I came back, I went and ran into my house and told all my roommates how excited I was, because it didn't seem like an interview. It was a lot more of people wanting to know who you were, what you were passionate about, and what you wanted to build. So I met a lot of people who were my age who had already built their own companies, which was really incredible to see, as well as I talked to a lot of current fellows that are in the process of starting to build and create their own companies from here. What's really cool about Venture for America is that after graduation from the program, they have accelerators that are only for your Venture for America fellows, so that you're able to really immerse into a city and build your business for a few months so that you have a good foundation to continue to go after that. So I applied to Venture for America because I thought this would be kind of a unique opportunity of something to do after graduation. It perfectly kind of brought together the 3 things that I've been studying here at Carroll. That entrepreneurial mindset of working in a startup. I'll be able to do marketing wherever I'm at. And a lot of times these companies are working with different issues around the world, so it's kind of cool to be able to have my hand in that. The reasons I really fell in love with the program was because of the community-based aspect of it. I think what's cool about this is I'll be able to leave the John Carroll community and join another community of very like-minded individuals who are looking to change the world in some way, which is something that I've really seen here at Carroll as well. So continuing that mission on, even in a different way that isn't directly connected to the Jesuit mission.